Yes, Rikesh friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your friend Captain Naresh. We are having a program of motivation to happiness or success. Friends, it has been learned that number of people do not understand the meaning of happiness, and even they do not understand what is life. They consider life, you get up in the morning, do brush, have breakfast, go to the work, have lunch, tea, dinner, and sleep. And small activities, if they have to do it, that is the life they consider. Friends, this life is a very beautiful if one knows how to live it. We mess it up with our egos around us. We mess it up with false thinking, past and future thinking. And we forget that life is not stopping, it is ticking away. If you look at your watch or the clock, every second which is passing will not come back. It is taking us near the cremating ground or the grave towards the death. But we do not realize it. See what a miracle it is. Everybody knows that I am not going to live forever. But how much struggle we are doing to get things done in our favor. How many people we annoy. How many legal, illegal things we do to make myself comfortable. Enjoy the life. And the enjoyment what we are doing is all worldly affairs. You go on holiday, you're tired in your work, you feel like going to the holiday. Why are you tired? Because you did not had any extra activity except the mechanical work you were doing. You did not enjoy your life. You did not enjoy your family. You did not enjoy your partners. You did not enjoy your friends. Friends, when we don't have friends, when we are losing company, we naturally become isolated. There is an emptiness. And if you know, empty tin makes more noise than a filled tin. So, if we fill up those empty places, everywhere, wherever you stay, wherever you live, you will find happiness around you and you will be enjoying the life. And when you enjoy the life, naturally, the success and motivation to get higher happiness will come. You will be motivated from small games how to be happy. And you will not be happy only, but you will make others happy. Friends, to begin this session, let's pray God Krishna, the Almighty, who gives us the opportunity and knowledge how to live a healthy and successful life. सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्ते आदिहेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नमो नमः श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नमो नमः श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नमो नमः श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नमो Sri Krishnaya Vayam Namo Namaha. बोल भगवान श्री कृष्ण की जय, श्री नंद के लाला की जय, श्री देवकी नंदन श्री कृष्ण की जय, श्री द्वारकाधीश भगवान श्री कृष्ण की जय, बोल देवादिदेव पूर्ण ब्रह्म भगवान श्री कृष्ण की सदा ही जय. Jai Shri Krishna friends, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, we have been discussing how to lead a better lifestyle so that we get motivation in our life. A motivation to live a happy life, a motivation to be successful and enjoyable journey of the life. But what happens, friends? We are caught in unessentials, and unessentials takes us nowhere. They only give us pain, depression, and we are unhappy, and finally the unhappiness leads lots of diseases in us. As we have discussed earlier, that when we are in anger or when we are in pain, the pain can be of some hurts also. It's not the body pain. And when it is that, or we are very much worried, under very heavy tension, what happens? There is a chemical discharge in us which leads to various diseases like hypertension, like blood pressure, sugar, cholesterol, cancer, diabetes, and even to some tumors also. Tumors also start developing. Friends, recently there was a discussion in ZTV or a news that we must learn to laugh or smile, which we have forgotten. Many of us has forgotten. We have not laughed loudly from the inner heart. We try, if somebody makes a joke, we just simply stretch our lips, but we don't laugh. Laugh loud, as you heard the laughter of Kans, laughter of Ravan, how they used to laugh. Laugh like that. When you laugh or you smile, it is a stress buster. That is why laughter clubs have come up, which makes you laugh so that you release your stress. But stress is not released by laughter only. You have to burn your future and past thinking which has gripped you in such a way that you have been doing a compromise with your friends, with your family. Number of people, they remain in compromise and they remain serious. They think if I laugh or hug my partner or hug my children, they will misunderstand it and it won't be of my respectable person to do that. But internally, they are missing the feeling of hugs, feeling of laughter. Try to convey your feelings to the others, how they are, what is the things. So when you convey your feelings, when you show your feelings towards others, the gratitude, the others will also give you the same response. And what will happen? You will go in a positive mood. See, when we did not had smartphones, people used to get together and crack jokes even in the morning or even in the evening, and they used to remain fresh, many times smiling or laughing with themselves after remembering the jokes which used to keep them in a high spirits. Well, if you heard of jokes, sometime it happens. It doesn't click at that time. And when you go to the bathroom or anywhere, then suddenly it bursts out. Oh, that was a joke, and you said ha 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 ha, and you start laughing. Oh, that was the joke. Friends, laughter is the most powerful formula to anger or depression, to overcome anger or depression. It's the most powerful formula. Researchers have shown that simple act of curving corners of your mouth can increase your feeling or happiness. Medical researchers had shown when there is happiness in a person, the body becomes healthy. When the body is healthy, your mind also becomes healthy. And when your mind is healthy, the motivation also becomes healthy. And you move towards success of your life. Don't take it easy that this is a small thing, laughing, and you've heard many times. You might have heard number of people. Somebody must have heard lots of gurus and saw lots of big people, lots of things on YouTube. But how many of you have implemented their instruction on you? Until and unless you implement the instructions or the direction given in that YouTube or in a personal message on yourself, until and unless you won't get benefit. By hearing from left ear and throwing it out from the right ear is of no use. Some people, they only gather information, they keep on hearing, keep on reading, this book, that book, how to stop worrying, start living, Herald of Health, and so many things. But they never put themselves in that discipline, what it is said in those books. The directions which are given, they never follow them. And then they feel, oh, lots of knowledge. If somebody talks, oh, I know this. And what happens? I know this. Finally, the age, the life passes away and nothing is left over. So don't take life seriously. Don't think that this depression will last forever. This life is forever. This life you can see around yourself. How many persons around you must be knowing has passed away in this corona pandemic? How many persons you must have heard that they passed away for other reasons? How many of you have lost your father, grandfather, brothers, sisters? And if they are gone, we are not going to live. So, life is what? Life is a game. You play it, if you play it and if you play it like a sportsman, it will be enjoyable. But if you play it that I have to win this game by hook or by crook, you will not only spoil your life's years, but you will spoil the others. So friends, Try to find humor and laughter in life every day. Even you are struggling, even there is a depression, even you are struggling with some disease or the other, find some reason or the other to make that you should laugh, because the laughter is the best medicine, the best energy, the best tonic you can get to be happy. And when you are happy, you will be always motivated for success, happiness, and you will be successful in your life. Well, friends, thank you for hearing me. I hope this message will serve you. And if it serves you and you feel happy about it, say thanks to God, Krishna, or Jesus, whom you pray, and not to me. Thank you, friends. Goodbye. Good day. Jai Sri Krishna.